So now that we're talking about Shiba Inu in a more positive light, I mean, I have for this whole time, but now that there's more positive sentiment and SHIB price is moving well, we need to talk about these big three targets for Shiba Inu that are maybe not so far in the distant future, that are just outside SHIB's grasp right now. First of all, SHIB's next price target it is trying to really get to is this 408 range. This is actually very close to its prior all-time high. And, this analyst, Javon Marks, he is actually talking about SHIB breaking some of these crucial regions that we've been fighting against. And what he's actually referring to is this descending wedge that SHIB has been in. It's been playing out for 5 months. And when we look at the charts here, guys, I've actually charted this more as a descending channel, and I'll tell you guys why this is. So this descending wedge did get its breakout here. All right, we broke it again into the gift zone. We're looking really good on this side, more positive momentum. Things are looking very good, and this can mean some very large surges to the upside for SHIB here in the near term. Now, what I will say is this, it's a lot more of a descending channel because of the low points that SHIB has touched here on these wicks, these wicks down. And this top line of resistance is a more hard line of resistance. You guys can see we didn't breach it back here, didn't breach it back here. So when SHIB does finally make its move to the upside and we break out of the top here, this is where things start getting a little wild. We have this break box down in our lower range of liquidity. This is actually between 40185 and 402. From there up to the next break box, this is actually at 4026 through 4028. If SHIB can breach this box, we're in a very, very thin area of liquidity here. When SHIB breaches this box up top here, that's where the doors open wide up, right? Or open wide. Yeah, anyways. I can't talk apparently. This is where the path for SHIB to make this move to 408 is very clear. It's a very simple movement, and frankly, can be a very quick movement from there because of the amount of SHIB that's been removed from exchanges. People aren't willing to dump up in here. So there's a lot of good things ahead, right? So what this also means is that SHIB's next target is going to be the top 10. Now, right now, they have SHIB sitting at the 13th overall spot. Again, if you guys haven't followed me here on the channel for a while, I do not count stable coins. So SHIB is actually currently sitting at number 11, and it is not too far outside of Avalanche and Tron. This is a very, very quick move for Shiba Inu. SHIB can, run to 402 and frankly come up and test Tron here, even at the official top 10-ish, right? That's what we'll call it. But this is where things even get more interesting, because a former Goldman Sachs is actually putting SHIB's last target here at flipping Dogecoin, something that Shiba Inu has in fact done in the past. When we look back at the last market cycle, 2021, Shiba Inu was actually able to breach Dogecoin, become the most popular meme coin in all of crypto. But things have changed. There's less supply available in the market. There's more optics. There's more positive sentiment surrounding SHIB. The right thing, there's less available Shiba Inu in the market, right? All these positive things have led us to what is going to be SHIB's next big move. And he is saying that the biggest trick they play on you is to convince you that Doge cannot be flipped. It's been flipped before by SHIB. And the thing is that I've said time and time again that Shiba Inu is going to make a surge. It is going to flip Dogecoin. And frankly, once it gets up to the top 5, which I believe is 100% possible in this cycle, there's going to be no looking back. SHIB will cement itself as the most dominant meme coin in this space. All right. Now, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice, and know that this may take a little bit of time to play out. Like I said, it could happen quickly. All right. You get the right sequence of events. You get the right FOMO and optics from outside the space. Assets can go berserk. SHIB, despite being a almost $10 billion market cap, can move like a coin that's a $500 million market cap. That's one of the crazy benefits that Shiba Inu has, and that's why I've said it's going to be one of the best performers in this market cycle, especially from the top 20 coins. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I want to hear when you think these targets will in fact be breached. When is SHIB going to breach 408? When is it going to crack the top 10? And when are we going to be flipping Dogecoin again? So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.